up everybody? Now today we're going to be doing some steamed callaloo with plantain dumpling. Stick around guys, you don't want to miss this one here. This one is a very nice healthy breakfast for you all this morning. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment if you like this video, and subscribe to our channel, and also put on your post notification bell so you don't miss an episode when we post our next video. Alright, let's get straight into this video. Our callaloo has been washed already. We're going to strip it off and cut it up and prepare it for cooking. Alright, let me show you how to clean up these again, even though I have a few videos here that I show you guys how to clean up callaloo. You want to remove the outer skin, that's the hard part. You don't want to cook that part, right? Also, I got these at the farm this morning. I'm telling you guys, I just have to come home and feel for some dumpling and callaloo. I don't know. We just feel for that this morning. I just doing it, right? I will leave a number for the person who I got these from in my community section here on YouTube, right? So you can just click over there and you'll see information. And you know, in Jamaica we have a wide variety of vegetables growing. Red callaloo, the regular color that we are used to. And you should give it a try guys. Juice it. How have your juicing been going for the summer? I hope you guys are watching my juice videos and getting ideas to prepare some, and also get the children involved, right? So you see that little part there rough, you don't want to cook that. If you're juicing, then it's fine to juice it with it, but I don't want you to cook it. Alright, just strip it off. And I prefer to buy my callaloo like this and strip it. I really don't like to purchase it at the supermarket when them cut it up already. I just prefer to do it myself. Nice little therapy for you. And of course, if you buy the callaloo yourself, you can strip it yourself and you get more, right? When I buy callaloo, I just normally buy like 3 bundles and I get callaloo to serve me for the entire week. I suppose if you buy it at the supermarket, just a little bit you get in. And you can wash your callaloo in some salt water or vinegar just to remove any little caterpillar or anything like that is on it. We don't want that on it, so we are going to wash it in the salt water or vinegar. Of course, I'm gonna put some tomato in there. If you don't like tomato in your steamed callaloo, it's optional. You don't have to put it in there. And of course, on this side, we're going to have some ladyfinger, okra, right? And I'm gonna also be using a jalapeno pepper. If you have Scotch bonnet pepper, it's okay. You can go ahead and use that as well. Just remove the top if you choose to use these as well. I'm gonna just blanch them whole. They will be cooked separately from the callaloo. Alright, so for the dumpling, we're going to use wheat flour. I have here 2.5 cups of flour. I'm going to be using also maybe half or 1 of the green plantain in it, right? I've washed this already, so I'm going to peel it now. If your grater has a smaller section, go right ahead and grate it on that. I'm going to go in with some water. And make sure your hands are clean. Like I always say, if you want more water, it's better you go in gradually than just pour the entire amount, because you don't know if it really want that amount for true. So start with 1 cup and gradually pour it in there. If you did it on the smaller side of the grater, maybe you don't need as much water, but if you didn't, you can add a little water, right? And make sure your water is boiling up. See, everything combined together already. So I didn't use a lot of water, and this is the dough that we want. A nice dough. You don't want nothing soft, because I know fried dumpling or fritters we do, guys, it's boiled dumpling, so you have to get it firm enough. And how I make mine, I just roll them in the palm together and just flat it out. Alright, so we're going to go in with our dumplings now. Remember to give it a little mix so the dumplings don't stick on the pot bottom, right? You can just cover that and leave it. Okay guys, now that our dumpling have halfway cooked, we're going to start with our callaloo now. Okay, I've gone in with some oil, going in with our garlic, pimento, and thyme. Also gonna go in with our onion. Pepper. Our tomatoes, sweet peppers, some salt. I'm using Himalayan salt here. Guys, oh my gosh, man, this smells so good already. In with our callaloo now. Can still see 3 bunches of callaloo, and look, I still have more leaves. Going in with some black pepper as well. Maybe going with 1 to 2 tablespoons of water. I really don't like my callaloo to be cooked out, guys, so I'm gonna leave the pot open. Now guys, I'm gonna turn it off now because I'm finished cooking it. The heat from the pot will continue to cook it, alright? Don't want to get them too undercooked. And there you have it, guys, our nice steamed callaloo with boiled dumpling. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Until next time, bye.